Hey, what's up YouTube? Keith here coming at you. Wanted to do a quick video and reveal what the next model is going to be, so stay tuned. Alright, thanks for sticking with me. And here we go. The big reveal. I love that sound of diesel. It can only be one thing. Actually, it could be a million things. But I want to thank my buddy George for getting me this model for my birthday a couple weeks ago. The Kenworth W900 Aerodyne. This is going to be an extremely fun model to build. I want to film the entire process, and if you're anything like me, you see a video over 10 minutes, I typically don't even bother to watch it unless it's something I really want to see and or learn. So I'm either going to try to keep the video under 10 minutes or just make several videos and have a little series out of it. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. You know what to do.